Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll be analyzing the today's trading day of Nifty 50 index and we'll also plan for tomorrow's day. Well, here we've got the Nifty daily chart in front of us and we can see here that we have created a huge bear bar on the daily chart. We closed almost near the lows for today and Nifty not just closed well below 20-day moving average, it also crossed the 50-day moving average with a considerable amount of ease. We can see here that the black line is the 50-day moving average and the red line is the 20-day moving average. Well, going forward, what to expect? This black line over here, it's at 14,450. There's a huge support at this level, followed by the other black line over here, which is at 14,330. So these two levels are extremely important. Bulls would be hoping that we cross first of all the 50-day moving average, and afterwards we'll try to cross the 20-day moving average. Whereas bears would be hoping that we somehow come closer to this support area and will somehow try to break this area. On a month-on-month basis, since last March 2020, we have been in a continuous bull run. It was only in September and then in January we've had a bear bar on the monthly charts. So it would be really interesting to see whether this month we'll have a bear bar or a bull bar. By the looks of it, it seems that we'll end up in a bear bar on the monthly charts, and we'll have 3 months in the last 12 months with a bear bar where the Nifty closed on a negative. Alright, so let us go on with our analysis and we'll look at the important data points from today's trading day. On the options front, we have got a huge amount of open interest on the call side at 14,700 till 15,000. So naturally the resistance would be at this level starting from 14,700. Even 14,800 has a good amount of open interest. 15,000, it is really difficult for Nifty to cross. 15,000 is in this expiry, it is near to impossible. So 14,700 for now would act as a very important resistance. And whereas on the put side, this is interesting, even 14,500 has got a huge amount of open interest. Mind you, the market is not much far above 14,500, it's only at 14,549. Still there has been a lot of open interest at 14,500. Mind you, the open interest was there since yesterday, and today we have seen only a small unwinding of the open contracts. Well, talking about increase in open interest and decrease in open interest, today call options has seen a huge amount of open interest. That is natural because people hedge their position, and since the puts were increasing drastically, the natural thing to do is to hedge the position by selling call options. So that's why a lot of call options were sold today. Coming to the FII and DII activity, FII sold today for around 2,000 crores, whereas DII have bought for 600 crores. Yesterday both were net sellers, but today DIIs have turned into buyers, and it is really important for the market to that FII start buying, and only the money flow takes the market higher, as we all know. Well, on the open interest front, FIIs are still long on the indices. However, on options front, they are still short. Well, we'll go to the sectoral performances, and we can see over here that each and every sector was drastically down. Nifty Metal more than 3% down today, led by Tata Steel and Hind Copper, and even the PSU bank, SBI and IOB, all those banks, they lost heavily today. Overall, the index itself lost more than 3%, and even Bank Nifty was drastically down more than 2.6%. So all in all, each and every sector was down except for pharma, which was slightly up, and the other thing was up is India VIX. It has crossed 22 now. It is 22.6 as of now, and it was up by more than 8%, 8.66% to be exact in today's trading day. Well, and talking about the contributors, Reliance was the top contributor on the downside, followed by the banks. Reliance was down by more than 28 points, and it is coming very near to that 2000 mark. It is currently at 2048. So the bulls would be hoping dearly that Reliance does not break 2000 level. Only then the market can go up. Well, let us go to the Nifty 15 minutes chart and we'll try to analyze where the market is there in the is positioned in the short term. Here we go, and the market as of now is in a range, this range, and it is reaching out for this lower end of the range over here, and on the upper side this is where the market has taken a good amount of resistance, and we expect that the market will be within this range of 14,750 till 14,500 even in tomorrow's trading day. So hopefully the expiry happens within this range. However, one major factor which affects the market and its prices for now is the US bond yield. Let us just go to the US bond yield chart and we'll try to analyze where is it today. Here we go. Yesterday was a sharp downfall in the US bond yields, which closed around 1.62, but then in today's day on 24th it bounced back slightly, and this could be the reason why the market was down. So the bulls would be really hoping that this downtrend, which has kind of started, continues for some more time, and the bears would be thinking this is a small pullback and will continue the upward moving journey which has started since so many days now. So we can see over here, if I can go down, it has started from here, the major start of the journey, which has started from January 2021, and it has been going on. It made a recent top of 1.75, and that can spook the market, that can take the FII's money out of Indian market. So that is what is important for the bulls, that this comes down as much as possible. Alright, so that's all what we have for now. Thank you for watching.